Breaking news: Iran Iraq earthquake, 7.3 magnitude, shocks the region. Over 140 killed, over 800 injured. Ladies and gentlemen, Rex Bear Leak Project. This is just a quick update. You can read about it via NBC News. You can also go to Twitter. A magnitude 7.3 in the Middle East region, one of the largest since 1970 in the Iran-Iraq border. Although it's no stranger to this area, moderate-sized earthquakes are normal, according to Stephen Hicks. If you go to the Google Maps, you can see right here the location. This is a general vicinity. Nanu. Let me ask you this, ladies and gentlemen. If you look at bbc.com/news, source news scientist, global security, you can see in Iran, uranium mines, military sites, nuclear sites. The Arak nuclear site is the closest one that I can find within the vicinity here. You can see it's literally right on the border. My question is, was there some type of, is this natural or is this a man-made disaster? Is there anything in that area that would make you think so? Over 140 dead, over 800 injured that we know of right now. I'll zoom out here a little bit. You can see Iran, Iraq, the border right there. It's not too far away from Baghdad. That's pretty intense. Stay updated. Be the change you want to see. LeakProject.com.